At first glance, we multiply 2 and 0 and then 100 divided by 0, which is not possible, but the answer is not undefined. Let's see the correct usage of PEMDAS or BODMAS method. So always write PEMDAS or BODMAS like this. They are both same methods but used by different names in different countries. The confusion is created because people think multiplication come before division or division come before multiplication, and same for addition and subtraction. But remember, both multiplication and division are of same priority, and if both are given, they need to be solved from left to right. And the same case is for addition and subtraction, both have same priority. In this case, we have division, multiplication and parenthesis. So first we will solve for parenthesis or bracket. 2 into 0 is 0. Since 0 is in bracket, people think they need to multiply 2 and 0 first. But you only need to write it at 2 and 0 and then follow this order of operation. So since division and multiplication both are given, solve it from left to right. 100 divided by 2 is 50 into 0 and your final answer will be 0.